Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Go ahead.
Acting as one, believing in each other, committing a good vision. More we, less me. Overcoming obstacles together. Putting principle before personalities. Recognizing each other's strength. And that is what annual function Abhivyakti has taught us. A very good evening and a very warm welcome to our coordinator, sir, and dear teachers and all our sunbeams. I, Aisha, and I welcome you all to annual function Abhivyakti, idea of sustainability. Saraswati Mahabhage, Vidya Kamal Lochane, Vidya Rupe Vishalakshi, Vidyam Dehi Namostute. Now we will have our traditional auspicious lamp lighting ceremony as a tribute to Mother Saraswati, goddess of knowledge and wisdom. I request Rahul for the lighting of lamp and also to receive blessings from our respected Bapuji, late GP Kanodia sir, the founder father of our school. Bharatanatyam is one of the most popular Indian classical dance forms, not only within the country but also outside it. It expresses Indian culture. So here is my friend Iha to present a beautiful Bharatanatyam performance.
गणनायकाय गणदैवताय गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि.
That was indeed a lovely performance. I still feel mesmerized and lost in the beautiful moves. People are beautiful by heart, not by face. So here is my friend Aisha to present a poem written by her. Remember, the poems are written by students themselves.
Hello, today I'm going to recite a poem in front of you all, which I wrote myself and took a little help from Google. In this poem, I express that how Earth has gifted us with many things, but we humans have always destroyed it. And what's the difference between a protector and a destroyer? So here I go. Abhivyakti, idea of sustainability. Thinking of not just present but future generations too. Remembering all resources are not just for you. Nature has gifted us with air, water, wood, and many more, which are no less. But we have destroyed it and created a mess. We humans have never been satisfied and always been willing for more. This is the only thought which had made us reach to the earth's core. Our earth has always screamed, no, not, never. But have we stopped hurting her ever? We have always given just pain to Mother Earth, but this time I would like to say, I am sorry to hurt. We all believe in God, but the difference between a protector and a destroyer is that they spell it nature. Thank you.
Thank you, Aisha. Acting is an act to communicate to a large mass. It also develops one's personality. Acting, eye contact, body gesture should be the main pillars to communicate. So here is Sandhya, Prachi, Parul, Rahul, and Zaka from our class to communicate through their mesmerizing acting skills.
I have very bad news. Has anyone seen the earth? I spoke to earth this morning and the earth was not feeling well. Has anyone seen the earth?
Oh, I'm in so much pain. My lungs are filled with smoke from incineration. My tummy is full of waste and there is smoke coming out of my head. I think I am suffering from global warming.
Ha ha ha, that's me. I am the global warming. I must thank all of you for not reducing, not reusing, and not recycling. If not for that, I would be here. Is that right, Earth?
No. This would not happen at all if you follow the 3 R's. And yes, I'm one of them. Reduce. Let me tell you what I mean. I mean to minimize the amount of waste we produce, as this is the best way to help our environment. Let me tell you about benefits of me. Look for the products that use less packaging. When the manufacturers will make the product with less packaging, they will use less raw materials. You will understand more by an example, so let me give you an example. You can bring your own silverware and a cup rather than using disposable items, as it will reduce waste. I have a message for you all. Please try to reduce waste we produce, as it is good for environment, human beings and animals.
Now reuse, explain yourself.
Friends, I am Reuse, the second R. Are you not excited to know about me? So let me tell you about myself. I am Reuse. Reuse is something in which you can put all your imagination and can make a new thing from an old thing at home only. The example for it is a plastic bottle. A plastic bottle can be used for planting a plant. The message is reuse is necessary because it saves money and time that is wasted in buying new things.
Now meet my friend Recycle, that is a member of 3R.
Yes, of course. I have to explain myself to these people of Earth so that they can understand the importance of 3Rs and also of me. Well, I am recycling. Let me explain myself to you. Recycling is like magic. You can change an old waste thing into a new usable thing. Isn't it like magic? Let me give you an example. A copy page on which you write can change into a newspaper. At last, I would say that recycling is necessary because in refining and processing raw material, it creates a lot of air pollution. And you know, air pollution is the best friend of global warming. If you are going to do this, the earth will feel heavier and heavier. So for making the earth lighter, follow 3Rs and recycling too.
This cannot be. You are not supposed to be here.
Thank you so much for teaching everyone how to reduce, reuse and recycle. I am feeling much better now. And what's more, everyone is doing the work in tackling global warming. You can also do your part by reducing, reusing and recycling as well.
That's great, Earth. We're very happy to hear that you are feeling much better. Don't forget the 3Rs: reduce, reuse, and recycle. Save the earth.
What a mesmerizing performance that was. Someone said, when I sing for Mother Earth, I feel myself to be a real daughter of Earth. To bring love for Mother Earth all together, we have Anushka here to perform a song in front of you all.
Hello everyone, I am Anushka Sonkar of class 7C and today I am here to sing a song in front of you all which is titled as Na Kaato Mujhe Dukhta Hai. The main teachings of this song is to prevent cutting trees and planting more. While I was working with this song, I feel very connected to it and start loving trees. And I have taken a pledge that I will never cut a tree and plant as much as I can. So here I continue with the song so that you all also have the same feeling like me and start loving trees. मुझसे है सांसों की तुझ में रवानी, मैं ना रहा तो रहेगा न पानी. मुझसे है सांसों की तुझ में रवानी, मैं ना रहा तो रहेगा न पानी. मैं तेरा हिस्सा हूँ, तू मेरा हिस्सा है, मुझसे ही तू जिंदा है. ना काटो मुझे दुखता है, ना काटो मुझे बड़ा दुखता है. हो बड़ा दुखता है, हो दुखता है. ना काटो मुझे दुखता है. मैंने दिया तुमको फल फूल छाया, तू तो समझ ही ना पाया. हाँ मैं हरा फिर भी काटा गया, तुझको नजर भी ना आया. मैंने दिया तुमको फल फूल छाया, तू तो समझ ही ना पाया. हाँ मैं हरा फिर भी काटा गया, तुझको नजर भी ना आया. निर्मोहिया है तू बेशरम है, होता न शर्मिंदा है. ना काटो मुझे दुखता है, ना काटो मुझे बड़ा दुखता है. मुझको बचा ले रे दुनिया जहां, चाहूं मैं सबका भला. हर हाथ से एक पौधा नया लग जाए फिर और क्या. मुझको बचा ले रे दुनिया जहां, चाहूं मैं सब. हर हाथ से एक पौधा नया लग जाए फिर और क्या. थोड़ी सी मिट्टी थोड़ा सा पानी, तेरा इसमें क्या लगता है. ना काटो मुझे दुखता है, ना काटो मुझे बड़ा दुखता है. मैं तेरा हिस्सा हूँ, तू मेरा हिस्सा है, मुझसे ही तू जिंदा है. ना काटो मुझे दुखता है, ना काटो मुझे बड़ा दुखता है. हो दुखता है, हो दुखता दुखता है, ना काटो मुझे, दुखता है. Thank you.
Thank you, Anushka. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam said, creativity is seeing the thing but thinking differently. So here are my friends Drishti and Shambhavi to show off their creativity through poster making.
Jai Hind everyone, this is Shambhavi Yadav and today I'm going to show the poster made by me on the topic sustainability. So here I go. In the first picture, I have shown about the solar energy which comes from the sun. It can't be ended. So use the solar energy instead of coal energy. In the second one, I want to show about reducing the air pollution by not using too much of vehicles but the bicycles while traveling short distances. It is also good for our body. In the third one, I have shown about the windmills, planting and cleanliness. And in the bottom, cleanliness is very essential. And in the middle, I have shown three arrows which connect all these pictures and shows relation between them. And these steps help us in keeping the surrounding clean and saving natural resources. Thank you.
I'm Rishti Dayal and I am here to explain my poster. As you can see, I have divided the poster into two parts, environment and society. First, let me tell you about society, how I've described the society. As you can see, I have made a doodle art of a society with some monuments and I have also tried to show some education in the society. At the right side of the society, you can see I have written equality and described it. At the left side of the society, you can see I have written economy and drawn symbols related it. As you move upwards, you can see the drawing that shows the a bond between human and environment. At the right side of the drawing, you can see I have described flora and fauna and rock and soil. And at the left side of the drawing, you can see I have described water and sun. This is all I have tried to make. I hope you liked it. Thank you.
Rap is a significant way by which this generation can understand the importance of our environment. So here is Roshan with a fascinating rap.
Change a lot and strength myself, and so now I can stop people who are polluting our environment and save my environment. So by this we can make difference. Yes, we can. As the children of the world, we are learning every day, preparing for the future, which we hope will be okay. We can make things better and keep this planet green. Get rid of the pollution, there is so much to be seen. We can make the difference, it's up to you and me. Just for the environment and live in harmony. We can make the difference, just lend them helping hand. We can make the difference, yes we can. Yes, we can. Yes, we can. Yes, we can. This earth is our home. We should help our fellow man. Everyone together, we got all the help we can. We must stop pollution. Is the motto we should live. Those of us who have so much time, we learn to give. We can make the difference. It's up to you and me. Get for the environment and live in harmony. We can make the difference, just let them help in hand. We can make the difference, yes we can. Yes we can. Yes we can. Yes we can. future of the world. We are learning every day, preparing for the future, which we hope will be okay. We can make things better and keep the planet clean. Judging the pollution, there are so much to be seen. We can make the difference. It's up to you and me. Just for the environment and we can harmony. We can make the difference. Just let them help in hand. We can make the difference. Yes, we can. Yes, we can. Yes, we can. Yes, we can. Thank you.
Thank you, Roshan, for a marvelous rap. Next is a PowerPoint presentation by Krishna and Siddharth titled When We Leave the World a Better Place.
Jai everyone present over here. I, Krishna Singh of class 7C, along with my friend Siddharth Maurya, is going to present something informative and useful. Do you think this world can be a better place? Of course, each of us want it to be. But who can make it a better place? It is we. And believe me, friends, our little action can do it. But can we end hunger? Can we stop gender inequality? Can we stop depleting our nature? It just requires our little action and mindfulness. For this, we will be presenting sustainable goals decided by the United Nations General Assembly in 2015. These are a set of 17 goals which we will be presenting. We are not here to give you more information as it is available everywhere. Rather, we are going to tell you and suggest some little actions that you can take towards sustainable world.
No poverty. We have to achieve a world where nobody anywhere lives in extreme poverty. We have to end poverty in all its forms for all people. Economic growth must be inclusive to provide sustainable jobs. At our level, we can promote equality.
Zero hunger. We have to achieve a world where no one has to stay hungry or wake up asking whether there will be food today. We can research ways to make farming more productive. At our level, we should try never to waste food and should always try to distribute leftover foods and aware other also to do so.
Good health and well-being. We have to achieve a world where there is no such disease which we don't know how to cure. We have to ensure healthy lives and promote well-being for all at all ages. At our level, we can vaccinate our family to protect them and improve public health. We can promote public hygiene.
Quality education. We have to achieve a world where everyone goes to school as education gives us knowledge and skills. At our level, we can help children in our community to read.
Gender equality. We have to achieve a world where all girls and all women get equal opportunities and feel safe. Gender equality is not only a fundamental human right, but is necessary foundation for a peaceful and sustainable world. We can stop the stereotype thoughts and promote more gender equality. Let's take us in a step in this direction.
Clean water and sanitation. We have to achieve a world where all people can get clean water and proper toilets at school, at home, and at work. Target for this goal includes programs that provide access to basic technologies like toilet as well as protecting ecosystems that provide water. Clean water for all is essential. So at our level, avoid wasting water and try to create less wastewater.
Affordable and clean energy. We have to achieve a world where sustainable energy for everyone is available. Heat, light, and power for the whole planet without destroying the planet. What we can do is try to save energy wherever possible. A simple step can be using energy efficient bulbs. Do not waste any type of energy.
Decent work and economic growth. We have to achieve a world where there is availability of decent jobs for everyone. This goal targets closing that gap using innovation as well as separating growth from ecosystem degradation. Sustainable economic growth will require societies to create the conditions that allow people to have quality jobs.
Industry, innovation, and infrastructure. We have to achieve a world where our industry, our infrastructure, and the best innovation makes our lives better. We are a generation who can foster more innovation and environmentally sound approach to industrial development.
Investment in research and development is crucial to achieve sustainable development.
Reduce inequalities. We have to achieve a world where there is no kind of inequality existing. We have to try to look over all types of inequalities and try to reduce it from our society.
Sustainable cities and communities. We have to achieve a world where people living in cities and communities are safe and progressive. Targets for this goal include fostering a more innovation and environmentally sound approach to industrial development.
Responsible consumption and production. We have to achieve a world where everyone is ready to take smart steps in terms of production and consumption. The goal targets topics like reducing food wastage and educating people on the impact of their lifestyle choice. Try to follow 3 R's: reduce, reuse, and recycle. It is not at all difficult task. Make it part of your everyday life.
Climate action. We have to achieve a world which is restoring itself in terms of climate change. We have to commit to limiting global warming to not more than 2 degrees Celsius. Climate change is a global challenge. Your little actions can help us to restore it.
Life below water. We have to achieve a world where we restore and protect life in our seas and oceans. The target for this goal includes researching and learning to find out more about what lies beneath the ocean so as to better save them. Careful management of life underwater is one of the ways to achieve sustainability.
Life on land. We have to achieve a world where we restore and protect life on land and forests and earth itself. This goal targets halting the threat to living ecosystems and biodiversity on land. Your simple actions, such as planting a tree, can help us to protect the environment.
Peace, justice, and strong institution. We have to achieve a world where justice rules are equal for all. Target for this goal includes reduction of violence and of torture, reduction of corruption, and government that works for everyone. It requires access to basic it requires access to justice for all and building effective institute at all levels.
Partnerships for the goals. We have to achieve a world where all countries and we, the people, work together, have partnerships of all kinds. Every country and every sector has to work together to achieve the sustainable development goals. United Nations has given us the sustainability goals which we have to complete till 2030. We might not be able to complete these goals, but we can try our best. As an individual, I will give my best attempt to make this happen, and a small step from you all can help us achieve the sustainability goals. A small step from you all can maintain the beauty of our planet. Thank you.
Thank you for such an informative PowerPoint presentation. Next, to energize us with dance powerful moves, here is Rahul to take you all to World of Dance. As we believe, dance can also be used to show their love to Mother Earth.
Good morning, friends and my dear teachers. I am Rahul and I am going to present a skate dance in front of you all. When we started talking about sustainability, so I realized that we are not at all sensitive towards the nature. And now onwards, I will try to reduce the usage of plastic and follow the 3 R's. Now, please have a look on my dance.
कसम ये खाए रे टिक 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 प्लास्टिक टिक ना पाए रे टिक 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 कसम ये खाए रे टिक 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 प्लास्टिक टिक ना पाए रे अगर सुन लो जो संभले ना हम तो बम ये फट जाएगा कि बहती सी है नदियाँ का ये पानी रुक जाएगा अगर सुन लो जो संभले ना हम तो बम ये फट जाएगा कि बहती सी है नदियाँ का ये पानी रुक जाएगा धरती का ये दम भी घुट जाएगा कि कुदरत की हर नस नस में जहर ये बस जाएगा प्लास्टिक के हम सब मोहताज है कैसा ये समाज है कल ना हो हाथों में आज है मौका ये अपना गवाए रे टिक 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 कसम ये खाए रे टिक 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 प्लास्टिक टिक ना पाए रे टिक 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 कसम ये खाए रे टिक 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 प्लास्टिक टिक ना पाए रे सिचुएशन ड्रास्टिक है जहाँ देखो ड्रास्टिक है सिचुएशन ड्रास्टिक है जहाँ देखो फैली बोतल इत्यादि सर्रे सर्रे में फैला ना घट पाए ना मिट पाए रह रह के टॉक्सिक बन जाए इससे छुटकारा तो नहीं पर है एक सरल उपाय रे सिंगल यूज प्लास्टिक को हम कह दे बाय बाय रे
That was a great performance, Rahul. Poetry, literature that evokes a concentrated, imaginative awareness of nature. Here are some students of my class to present a poetry that will touch your heart.
शुभ संध्या एवं जय हिंद। मैं श्वेता पांडे, कक्षा 700 की छात्र आपके सामने एक कविता प्रस्तुत करना चाहती हूँ। इस कविता का नाम आओ अपना भविष्य बनाए है। मेरे साथ मेरे दो मित्र भी हैं, जिनका नाम अवनी तथा शांभवी है।
आओ अपना भविष्य बनाएं, पेड़ पौधे और जल को बचाएं, एक काटे तो 10 लगाएं, देश को अपने हरा भरा बनाएं। वृक्षों के बिना जीवन मुमकिन नहीं, इन्हें बचाना ही होगा सही।
आओ बचाएं ये बूंद बूंद का नीर, ये न रहा तो होंगे अधीर, इसे न कोई व्यर्थ बहाओ, भविष्य बचाना है तो इसे बचाओ।
बेटियों को न समझो बोझ, इनके बिना जिंदगी तो सोच, चलो करें इनका सम्मान, बेटी तो है हर घर की शान, इन्हें न समझना कभी कमजोर, इसने बांधी रखी है रिश्ते की डोर। धन्यवाद।
Thank you for a heart-touching poetry. This annual function Abhivyakti is organized to express through dance, through song, through acting and many more. To express our love to our Mother Earth, I have my friends presenting a rap as a tribute to her.
Hello, I am Aisha, and I thought to do a rap because I know very well that our upcoming generation would be a pop lover. So to convey my message in an effective and an interesting way, I chose rap. Meanwhile, I was working for it, I changed a lot. I came closer to the earth and I started using a solar lamp instead of an electric lamp while studying. And I feel very happy after I come to know that I have saved a bit of electricity and fuel.
Hello and Jai Hind everyone. Aishriya is here. When I was preparing for my rap, I understood that God has gifted us with nature, but we are not taking care of it. So, from now onwards, I decided to take care of my nature, and I am very happy to tell you all that I am saving my water as much as I can.
Jai Hind everyone, I Iha Arya from class 7C is here to perform a rap. I thought to do a rap because it is very energetic and I think it is a new way to convey a message. While I was practicing the lines of the rap, I felt the deep meanings inside them and now I'm trying to follow them. I'm reducing the use of plastic and reusing it as much as I can so I can gift it to our Mother Earth.
Jai Hind everyone, this is Arisha and I wanted to tell you all that I had so much fun while practicing and while discussing about a rap and I'm so happy and glad that I realized that how important is it to keep our surrounding and environment clean. And I'm very proud to share that it feels so satisfied, and I'm so happy I'm so happy that I keep my environment.
Mother Nature we must protect and treat the world with respect. RESPECT. Do the environment rap with me. Sustainable. Sustainable development is perfect for the future growth and development. Animals are ants, we must treat them with respect. They need looking after, or there won't be many left. Dolphins and whales like to swim. Lizards and frogs have scaly skin. Bears have furs and birds have feather. Let's do the environment rap together. Mother Nature we must protect and treat the world with respect. RESPECT. Do the environment rap with me. Sustainable development is perfect for the future growth and development. Reduce your time in the shower to save some water for a flower. Wash your dishes and clean your clothes, but just remember how plants grow. To keep our world fantastic, we must recycle plastic. Fossil fuels are running out. It's something we must think about. Sustainable development is perfect for the future growth and development. We must stop deforestation to prevent this situation. Forest, jungle, and mountain range need our help with climate change.
That was incredible. We have forgotten what Mother Earth has given to us. We have forgotten what we have forgotten to respect her. We have forgotten how beautiful she was, and cause of us how nasty she is. So here is Larib to recall Mother Earth.
Jai Hind everyone, I am Larit and I am going to present a song Dharti Hai Mahamari, which is based on saving trees. After listening this song, I genuinely started caring and loving trees, and I also water trees every day. So you can be also connected with my song. So here I go. धरती है माँ हमारी, धरती को बचाएंगे, पेड़ पौधे लगा के हरियाली फैलाएंगे। धरती है माँ हमारी, धरती को बचाएंगे, पेड़ पौधे लगा के हरियाली फैलाएंगे। जंगल को मिटने ना दें, पेड़ों को कटने ना दें, जंगल को मिटने ना दें, पेड़ों को कटने ना दें, चमका दे सारा जहां। ओ ओ ओ ओ ओ ओ ओ ओ ओ ओ ओ गांव गली को हम स्वच्छ बनाएंगे, बच्चे हम पर्यावरण को बचाएंगे। गांव गली को हम स्वच्छ बनाएंगे, बच्चे हम पर्यावरण को बचाएंगे। पेड़ लगाएंगे, फूल खिलाएंगे, पशु और पक्षियों को दिल से लगाएंगे, खुश होगा सारा जहां। ओ ओ ओ ओ ओ ओ ओ ओ ओ ओ ओ Thank you.
Thank you, Larry, for such a beautiful song. Coming towards the end of the program and making it memorable. I hope you all remember it throughout the life, since it is the only annual function which is conducted online. And I pray it should be last but not the least. Here is a video presentation from all the students of class 7C expressing how they came close to to the nature and started loving it. Please take a look at it.
I request everyone to have a look on this video. It's really a great gesture from the students. They all have prepared it so well, and this video is edited by Krishna. I'm just sharing my screen.
Jai everyone, I am Aisha of class 7C, and today I'm gonna show you all a video in which students of class 7C would be expressing their views towards the nature, how much they love nature and what can they do for nature. So please take a look at this.
What is this all? People doesn't think of our environment. They don't know how these all wrappers and plastics harms our environment.
What are you doing? Don't cut the plants. They help us to live. In fact, try to plant more and more trees.
Plants maintain the atmosphere, they produce oxygen and absorb carbon dioxide. Plants are very important, so we should save plants.
These type of paper which are not fully used are thrown by people, which will lead to cutting of tree. Save paper, save trees.
Plastic pollution. Plastic pollution means pollution caused by plastic or plastic materials. It is harmful for human beings, animals, and environment also. We throw plastic into the drains, which causes the drain packed, and we throw it on the roads, streets, which is eaten by many animals and causes harm to them. So we should stop throwing plastic on the streets and roads, and we should stop using plastic material.
We should not waste water. Water is so precious. Save water, save.
We should say no to plastic and use a cloth or paper bag for a clean and safe environment.
To conserve trees, we should not forget about pencils because pencils are also made up of woods. We can reuse the pencils by attaching two pencils like this and make it bigger so that we can write from it. So please reuse pencils and papers to save trees.
Clothes are renewable, but papers are not. Reduce the wastage of paper by using cotton towel instead of paper. Save paper, save tree.
Living friendly is also a part of environment. If we will live friendly and help each other, the environment will also look beautiful. Save the environment, make the earth green.
Plants are an essential resource. We rely on them for food, water, medicine, the air we breathe, habitat, our climate, and more. So we should plant more and more trees as much as possible.
We should not burn plastic bags cause it harm our environment. Save environment and plant more trees.
What are you doing? I'm cutting this tree because I'm not liking it anymore. Do you even know that they give us oxygen
understood the importance of a tree.
Wow, it is a very beautiful way to express our love for the nature, and I am pretty sure that this annual function has brought us more closer to the nature. And I am also sure about it that if we do these small actions for nature, they then it would be then it make then it is going to maintain the beauty of the nature and the beauty of the nature and the motive of this sorry the motive of class 7C is to spread more awareness and also follow what they have done in this video. Now I want to wrap my words up and extend a special thanks to Rajesh sir, Navneet sir, and my respected teachers to giving us their precious time. I hope everyone enjoys the little effort put out by us. Now I would like to hand over the mic to Rajesh sir.
Good evening and Jai Hind children. Great.
Good evening, sir.
Great. Adbhut, Ascharyajanak, amazed. Beautiful presentation. Clap for my side, please. Dear children, do you know, for 1 minute, I thought it is a virtual presentation or live presentation. Really. Thanks, Rashi ma'am. Beautiful coordination for in each and every field. Whatever appreciation I will give, it will be less. There was no question. कोई एक पिन भी रखने की जगह नहीं है जहां पे मैं कुछ बोल सकूं कि here Anushka, last you told कि it was a small effort, but it was a great effort. Excellent performance. Children, can you bring your parents, some of you, if your parents are with you? Is it possible? Either a mother, father, or you told ki, through this presentation we come to know what is the sustainability. Really, our earth is in danger and it's our moral, it's our duty how to save it. And if a small effort we will do from our side, a very good message in one of the poster or in the poem ki, first we should start. Exactly, time has come. I will not wait for other. If I will start to save my nature for another sustainability, do you know children, you have seen already a board field. We can't bind up in a single sentence or single words, and it's all filled are equally important. If I will take care of electricity, if I will take care of water, if I will take care of trees, greeneries, everything, definitely there will be a change. Development is demand of time. Development should be. But For this development, same time, I would have to take care of my nature. Two lanes roads are. 4 lanes should be converted. It is demand. For 4 lane, what we are doing? We are cutting trees. But at the same time, a very good message last may you sown. If myself, I am planting a tree, there will be no harm. Very good. Really, at last, again, I would like to say, everything was included in it. Best presentation, I can say, earlier, whatever I saw of class 7C, any presentation I saw, it was best. And children, it was in our small effort to, as we are not meeting, everything is going on virtually, conduct a small annual function. It was a very good, a big question with challenges amongst teacher. Sir, how your class teacher, all your parallel teachers, sir, how we will reach. I told her, today in the morning only, Rasi ma'am was so frightened. Sir, what will happen? Sir, I don't know. Rasi, it will be best. Trust your children. It will be best. And result is in front of us. Thank you. At last, great going, great done, well done. Rashi ma'am, from my side, it's enough. Again, I am saying not a single word appreciation, if not a word to express my views. Great.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. From my side, it's enough.
Now I would like to call Madhu ma'am for sharing her views with us.
Good evening, Jai Hind, everyone. Good evening, Rajesh sir, and everyone here. I was really mesmerized to see all the performances. When I'm in the class, I always ask the children to speak, so that I'm able to hear you and able to meet you. And especially they should be on the video mode. But when I saw them on the screen, I was not believing myself that they are my children. I have to learn from them the technology part. Wonderfully, they have done it. Their presentations were so good, and especially their slides, what they have made it, PPTs, means I love them. And thanks to Rashi ma'am for her guidance, and Rajesh sir, you also, means the children, they have done it a wonderful job. Means there is no, I think, stone unturned left here where they have not touched it. Each and every part of the nature and water and whatever they want to do it. Rap song also was there, a kavita bhi thi, to dance bhi. Means Rahul, I couldn't believe that Rahul could dance so well on the skates. It was so, even I was I was seeing him and I was thinking, he kahin gir nahi jaye bachcha. So means wonderful. Means I'll clap for them and nothing else. Thank you, children, for this performance. Thank you so much.
Rashi ma'am, one more request. Dear kids, I want to meet with your parents. If anyone, Rahul,
Siddharth's mother is joining with another device.
Okay.
Ma'am, if you can give some feedback or suggestions.
Asking me, Rashi ma'am, or anybody else?
Ma'am, Siddharth's mother has joined with the name Abha Maurya. She's there. Siddharth?
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, can you come on video mode and call your mother?
So she's in the kitchen. So right now she cannot.
Okay, no problem. Okay. Rahul, father is with you, beta? Rahul?
No, ma'am, mother.
Call your mother.
Yes, sir.
And come on, open. Namaste.
नमस्ते.
जय हिंद. कैसी हैं?
ठीक है सर.
कैसा लगा प्रेजेंटेशन? आपको लगा कहीं से कि ये काल्पनिक हो रहा है? ये एनुअल फंक्शन जैसा नहीं लगा आपको? आपको लगा ना कि बच्चे एनुअल फंक्शन प्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं बिल्कुल स्टेज पे?
यस सर, यस सर।
चलिए, बहुत अच्छा इफर्ट, आप लोगों का सहयोग की हमें जरूरत है। बहुत अच्छा लगा कि आप लोगों ने जो कोऑपरेशन दिया, बहुत अच्छा लगा मैम। और
आप लोग का भी मेहनत बहुत है सर
जी।
टीचर्स आर वेरी मच वर्किंग and hard working. It seems that they are hard working.
Exactly, ma'am. And for credit goes to you people also. In this pandemic, a lot of support you people have done. Otherwise, it was not possible. Otherwise, it was not possible. Definitely. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Namaste, ma'am. Anyone else kids can bring your parents, father, mother, bhaiya, didi, anyone?
The Siddharth mother is there.
नमस्कार मैम, नमस्ते। कैसी हैं?
बिल्कुल ठीक सर।
कैसा लगा सिद्धार्थ का परफॉर्मेंस, पहले बताइए आपको और सारे बच्चों।
बहुत अच्छा सर, काफी मेहनत कर रहा था एक हफ्ते से।
जी जी जी। और
बहुत अच्छा।
बच्चों का
राशि मैम भी बच्चों को बहुत सपोर्ट करती है, इसी वजह से बच्चे ऐसा कर पा रहे हैं।
जी जी जी, बिल्कुल बिल्कुल। इसलिए और आप लोगों का सपोर्ट ऐसा ही चाहिए हम लोगों को। जब भी कभी थोड़ी सी कभी
इतना अच्छा सपोर्ट मिल रहा था उसमें हम लोग का तो रहेगा ही।
जी 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 जी। थैंक यू मैम, थैंक यू, थैंक यू मैम। नमस्ते। एनीवन एल्स किड्स? ओके, थैंक यू राशि मैम एंड thank you 7C. Rashi ma'am, if anything you want to say, you say.
Any other teacher wants to speak something? Anushka, you follow up, beta.
Now I would like to call Rashi ma'am to share her views with us.
Okay, fine. Madhu ma'am, Rajesh sir has covered everything. I just will be saying thanks. So I'm very, very thankful for the presence of all the teachers, Rajesh sir, Madhu ma'am. Your presence have made it complete. Your continuous support on the chat, your continuous compliments on the chat have energized us equally. I'm also really very thankful from my bottom of the heart to each and every of the students who have volunteered this. And there are also the students who have worked backhand. It's not that only those who are in front camera. There's lots of editing things. Medha has made this presentation, but unfortunately she was not able to present because of the network issue. But the presentation was entirely made by Medha. I'm really thankful to her. And then if I talk of video presentation, many students who were not able to perform because of any reason, the 20 students are there in that video presentation. So that, and each of them has presented on their own whatever thought came to them. I just told them that you have to start loving nature, and whatever you do, you have to follow up also. आप जो भी करोगे वो आपको हमेशा follow भी करना है. So this way they have brought up this, and thanks a lot again to Krishna for editing it. At the same time, I'm very much thankful to each and every of your parent, because I was taking rehearsals tirelessly. Like none of them stopped their kids. Like they were anytime available. I was taking presentations at 6 o'clock every day. So there was a huge support from each of your parents. I'm really thankful to them. And now I'll be ending this with my heartfelt gratitude to each and every of you. Thank you, Ritu ma'am, for recording the session. If I'm missing anyone, I'm sorry. And thank you everyone so much.